Hi there, I am going to be showing you guys how I wash my whites. It was a hit when I showed it over on my Insta stories, and now I just want to give you guys more detail on how I do it. So let's get started. So I am going to be washing my clothes on a big to medium size load, but I am going to be washing it with hot water. Make sure you are washing your whites with hot water. And then I go ahead and use my Arm & Hammer detergent. If you see the wording, it is in Spanish. I purchased all of my products in Mexico because they were on amazing sale when we went over there on a vacation, and I stocked up on them. Then I go ahead and get my fabric softener in Sueño Max. I did purchase this big container from Sam's Club, and I've had it for over a year and I still have a lot. So go ahead and purchase this. It's amazing. It smells so good. So that is it. That's all I will be using for my first load. This might not be the best to save water or energy, but I promise you that it really gets your clothes nice and clean. So that's it. Let it wash, and then once it's been washed, I go ahead and do it all over again, you guys. I add my Arm & Hammer detergent and I add my fabric softener, but this time I will be adding my bleach. It doesn't matter what bleach you use. I've used many different ones, but just whatever you have on hand. You want to use it in your second load. The reason why is because the bleach is what's going to get it nice and clean, and in the first load is where all the dirt and all those nasty particles come out. And this is what has helped me get my husband's yellow stains out under his armpits for his shirts for work. And I promise you, this is the way to wash your whites. Like I said, it might not be the best way to save energy or water, but it really makes your whites super clean. This is a hack that I learned from my mom when I was getting ready to get married. She taught me how to wash white clothes in a better way, I suppose. That is the best way in my opinion, and I will never go back to washing my clothes the old way, but this is what works. And of course, my little helper is right there. And this is my clothes out of the dryer. I didn't want to fold it because I wanted to show you guys exactly how it comes out. And I will be showing you my husband's white shirts. That they are as stain free as they can get, as non-yellow as they can get. You will still see some yellowing, but not as bad as if you would have washed it just the first load the simple way, just one time. Get in on those underarms and there is no yellowing there. So go ahead and try this method, you guys. If it worked for you, please tag me and let me know if it worked. These are our guest bath towels, and we did have some company over and I washed them right after they left that weekend, and look how clean they are. They look brand new. So I promise you that this works. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Do not forget to follow me over on my Instagram. When I am not posting here on YouTube, I am posting over there, cleaning, cooking, and lifestyle. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
If you like this video, click on the comments down below. Bye bye for now.